Well, yee-haw and howdy doody to the boys and girls of Dairy Road Discovering at a Distance. Welcome back for a wonderful Monday. It's the Wild West theme this week, and so I've got my trusty steed here with his hat and his bandana. There's some wanted posters on the wall, and I was going to wear one of my cowgirl hats, but I got them all tangled up together in a knot, and I can't get one off to wear. I had different choices and colors. I got this tan one and this brown one and even some black ones, but I couldn't get them untangled to wear one today to my Wild West circle time this morning. But that's okay. I think I can do all right with no hat on today. I'm excited that you're here. Let's get started with our calendar time. If we're going to do our calendar time, let's figure out what month we're in. All right, we've already had January, February, and March of this year. Last month was the 4th month of the year. We're in the 5th month now. We've had April, and that leads us to May. May is the 5th month in the year. There's 12 months in our year. We're on the 5th month of May. Next will be June, July, and August. Those are our hot, hot summer months. And then we finish the year with September, October, November, and December. So we are in the 5th month of our year, the month of May. All right, so if you were listening closely, you heard me say that we're back for a Monday in our school week. We are on the 3rd Monday in the month of May. So if you look on my calendar here, this is Monday right over here. We've had the 4th, the 11th, and now we're right here on the 18th of May. We only have one more Monday left in the month of May, and that'll be next week on the 25th. So we're on the 3rd Monday in the month of May. Will you count with me all the way up to 18? We're going to start at the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 days so far in the month of May. Today is Monday, which means yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be, do you remember? Tuesday. That's right. Let's sing the days of the week together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we're on the first school day of the week, which is Monday. All right, yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's make it a great Monday. Next, let's talk about the weather. What's the weather like where you are today? Has it been pretty hot lately? Maybe a little bit cool sometimes, and I've seen a little bit of rain this weekend as well. Well, that's one way that Florida is different than the Wild West. We kind of get a lot of storms around here, but in the Wild West, they did not. It was very dry and very dusty, and it made it hard for the cowboys to ride on the horses all day long. They would get dust all in their noses and all in their eyes sometimes, and that's why they would wear their hats down low and cover up their faces to keep the dust from blowing all in them. It was very dusty in the Wild West. Another thing that's tricky because there's not a lot of rain is it's hard for a lot of plants to grow. So the Wild West has a lot of, what kind of plants do you think they have there? Cactuses. Did you say cactuses? Cactuses are able to go a long time without getting water. They can store it inside, deep inside their plant. So they don't need a lot of rain. So that's a good plant that grows in the Wild West. I have some plants here that I have at my house called succulents. And even though we have a lot of water here in Florida and rain, I sometimes forget to water my plants. So I'm excited that I have these plants that are able to stay alive without a lot of water here in Florida. Those are succulents. So it was really, really hot in the sunny daytime in the Wild West, but at night in the desert, it gets really cold and chilly. So in Florida, it's pretty much hot all day and all night, but not in the Wild West. It would be really, really hot in the morning, really, really cold and freezing in the night. So that's kind of a weird thing in the Wild West. One of the things that makes it wild is the weather. Well, now let's stand and do the Pledge of Allegiance. Will you stand up on your feet to do the Pledge of Allegiance with me? Put your hand over your heart. Are you ready?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Yeehaw!
Well, I've been kind of talking a lot about cowboys. And when you think about cowboys, or cowgirls for that matter, I wonder what kind of clothes you think of that the cowgirls and cowboys wear. Do you think of cowgirl and cowboy hats that they wear on top of their heads? Because I certainly do. Do you think about the bandanas that they might tie around their necks? What about how they wear those long chaps on the front of their bodies to protect their legs when they're riding the horses all day? And what about their shoes? What's that special kind of thing that cowboys and cowgirls wear on their feet? What are those called? Did you say boots? Because that's exactly right. I went around my house and collected some of the boots that we have in our closets. Would you like to see? Got this boot here. That's one. How many boots do you think we had in our closets? I'll give you a clue. I like boots. I like to wear boots because I had another pair. This is two. Got some fancy decorations on them. I've got two pairs so far. Here's some more boots. These are a little bit shorter. They've got these cute stars on them. That makes three boots. Number 4. These kind of look like work boots a little bit. They're not. Here's number 5. I like these. Got a little bit of fringe on them. These tall boots. And they've got this part here so you can help pull them on your foot when you need to get them on. So that makes 6. 6 pairs of boots. So that's 6 pairs of boots that I found in my house in our closets. And I was hoping that you could help me arrange them from smallest to tallest. Can you help me do that? All right, let's do it. Can you help Macy line the boots up in order of smallest to tallest? Let's start with the smallest boot first. Help Macy find the smallest boot. Where's the smallest boot? Is it that one? No. Nope. Yep, there's the smallest boot. Macy, put the smallest boot first. Next, let's move the tallest boot to the tallest boot spot. Which one is the tallest? Is it that one? Yeah, that's it. Grab that one, Macy. Put it in the tallest spot. Okay. Next shortest boot is... I think it's the one with the fringe. Do you see the boot with the fringe, Macy? Let's grab it and put it next to the smallest boot. It's looking good. What changes should we make next? What color boot do you see that needs to be changed? Did you say pink? Yeah, grab the pink boot. Okay, let's compare those last 2 boots that are next to each other. Which one's taller? Yeah, I think so. We'll swap those around. And we did it! 3 shorter boots and 3 taller boots. Smallest to tallest. Wild West! Yeehaw!
Woohoo! We did it!
Wow, thanks for your help with arranging those boots from smallest to tallest. That was good. We had to do a lot of comparing and measuring which ones were taller and smaller. You were really good at helping with that. I wish you were here so that you could help me untangle all these cowgirl hats that I have tangled together. That's a big mess. It might take me all week. I'm glad you were here with me to the start of the week on Monday, and I hope you keep watching all the way through Friday. Have a great one.